Hey everyone, I'm back. So I went to my dealer and I got all the chemicals I needed. And they suggested this Jet Clean made by Leisure Time. And the instructions say to only do it for about 10 minutes with your jets and then let it sit. And then sit for about an hour. And then after about an hour, you are supposed to turn pump back on and let the jets and blower go for another 15 minutes. And then they suggest you to drain the spa. My dealer suggested that I do this for 2 hours. Just run the jets, hit the jet button and let it go for 2 hours. And then when it's done, just go ahead and leave it in there for 24 hours. And then the next day, run it for another 2 hours and then dump the tub. And I don't know if you can see this, but there's definitely a bunch of gunk in there. And I've dumped this tub, gosh, at least 10 times with new water. And I ran the jets multiple cycles without any cleaning agent in it. But yeah, whatever's in here, it's definitely getting some stuff out of there. And it doesn't seem to foam really that bad at all. So, I mean, here in the corner there's a little bit, but I was expecting a big foam bath, and it's definitely not. So we'll see after the 2 hours when the jets run what the water looks like afterwards, but it's definitely doing the job. Alright everyone, I'm back. So the tub basically ran for 2 hours, and then it set for an hour, and then I ran the clean cycle, which is about 15 minutes on this tub, and it's a lot more foam now for sure. But it's dissipating fairly quickly, and there's really not that much in here as far as obvious signs of some type of bacteria or growth in the plumbing. All the videos I see online, you get a bunch of this nasty ring around the tub, and it doesn't look that bad. So they say to put the cover on now and let it sit overnight, and then tomorrow run the jets again for 2 hours and then dump it. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, I'm back. So you can tell it's pretty clear. Definitely got some sediment on the bottom there. There's definitely no film around the edges. So just a little bit of sediment realistically, considering how long I ran that for. And it's pretty clean water in all reality. That one corner over there by the MotoJet is the worst. But anyhow, it's draining right now. I have my hose hooked up, and it's just running down over here into the rocks. So yep, I'm gonna clean it out the rest of the way, and then I'm gonna fill it back up and drain it again, and finally get it running. But I'm not really, I don't know what to expect, I guess, with this product, because I mean, obviously it got some crud out of there, but the water didn't look like it had any film. So either the previous owner took really good care of it, or just wasn't used a lot, I guess. Anyhow, that's the end of this series here.